Lance with Restoration One. I'm actually just reaching out to our community. What we're really trying to put together is a way that we can help keep Colorado clean.
And we do a lot of commercial accounts, or we go out and do disinfecting for commercial accounts to help them. And we got thinking, why don't we teach small business owners how to take care of their own businesses so you can get your employees safe, your clients safe.
We can help people train to keep their properties clean and help them stay open. You know, help them make money, help them keep doing what they need to be doing.
We wanted to put together a program where we can teach business owners how to properly maintain and clean and disinfect their areas without having to spend an arm and a leg to keep their doors open.
I'm Bill, I'm with Restoration One here in Colorado Springs. You know, we hear it all the time on a daily basis now, how we're all in this together. We're starting a campaign to help each other out as we are in this together.
So to break it down, what we're willing to do and what we're trying to set up is certain days and slots, 5 people groups, to where we can actually teach equipment, teach chemicals, teach procedures. This is something we're professional at, and we basically want to offer our services to be able to help train a person that's helping you clean, or yourself, being the size of businesses, whatever it is, to help keep your margins down where you can actually stay open and stay clean.